Hi everyone, hope you all are safe and sound. Welcome back to my channel TechnoZara. Today I have a very interesting website which is profitable and very helpful. I will tell you that how it will be helpful. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can easily approach my upcoming next videos. It's Zoo Finance, and this website has been created on 5th December, and the mission is to help animals to live their natural ecosystem and making a huge effect all over the world. Animal lovers should participate in this project to make it successful. So let's start the overview, and we will discuss all about its features and its properties, how to buy, its team introduction. I will tell you all the things. So let's start. It's Zoo Finance. We are on the interface, its home page, and you can see here this about and Zoo paper, roadmap, tokenomics, team, and how to buy. So one by one we will check out all the things, all the features. First of all, we check up about. Here we are on the interface of about. They tell about all creatures are the part of nature. If we as human being can unite and love nature itself, we can touch every living thing in it. Surely our animal friends too. Nature's cycles have to do with how the earth renews itself. The living things within on an ecosystem interact with each other and also with their non-living environment to form an ecological unit that is largely self-contained. In the light of this knowledge, we set out into a journey to touch the animals' lives, which we as humans had already renewed with our hands. So it's the about all the website purpose, and here we have buy now, chart, zoo paper, and BS scan. First of all, we check out the chart paper, and here we have its chart paper. Here you can see its chart paper, and here we have there's a detail about the token, that's its total supply. You can check out it, and market cap includes locked, includes burn, and 29,261. You can check out its graph, how it works up and down, on which position it works, and its holder detail, its tokenomics. Here is the total detail, token and its prices. You can check out it. And now we check the zoo paper. Here we have the zoo paper, its introduction. Zoo Finance token has been created on December the 5th of December with the belief of helping. Our mission is reaching out as many animals as we can, help to them live in their natural ecosystem and making a huge effect all over the world. Our helping hands will touch the animals which needs food, water, shelter at the beginning, and the community grows. We will support animals adopting if it is necessary, or we will fight for their freedom in nature, and beyond that is that in time we will act as a very strong community all together and take part in movement to stop animals slaughters. They are very helpful aim they have. Animals right, it is the philosophy according to which may or all sentient animals are entitled to the possession of their own existence, and that their most basic interest, such as the need to avoid suffering, should be afforded the same consideration as similar interest of human beings. We did believe in this As Zoo Finance community, we will live, act, speak as we believe. And next one is their problems and so on their solutions. And now we will read out its tokenomics. Here we have the tokenomics. Zoo token is a deflationary BEP20 Binance Smart Chain token. The reason behind we have chosen Binance Smart Chain is to take advantage of its growing popularity and the low transaction cost, since we want to have as many people as possible all over the world. Name Zoo Finance, token ticker Zoo F. Token supply, here you can check out, and token contract address is available here. The Zoo token, here we can check out its text content below: 9% marketing, development, liquidity, charity wallet, and 2% redistribution to Zoo Finance holders, and 1% for burn. And here we have the roadmap, in which phase 1 quarter 4 2021 contract development, setup, community infrastructure, Telegram, Twitter, Facebook and Reddit, and community build, launch on PancakeSwap, website development, influencer promotion, 500 holders, 1000 Telegram members, and CoinVote, CoinSniper listing. And in their phase 2 quarter 1 2022, apply for listing on major platforms, CG and CMC influencer partnership, conversation with the volunteer, campaigns about Zoo Finance, donation to the animal shelters, marketing campaign, 2000 Telegram members, 1000 holders. And in phase 3 quarter 2 2022, BSC scan logo, trust wallet logo, initial tech rate audit, and 5000 holders, exchange listing, adoption of animal through our community, more charity activities. And phase 4 quarter 3 2022, foundation for building animal shelter, revising roadmap, adding more such as NFTs and merch market, merchandise of cups, keychain, t-shirt, animal food plates, etc, etc, and with the logo of our beloved Zoo Finance token. And here is the detail about the token and its tokenomics, its roadmap we have just studied out. Now we check out its BSC scan. Here the interface we have. From here you can check out all the transactions details you can check out, and here you can easily get the address, contract address is available here, and you can check out the holders list. Here you can check out 124 addresses and their transactions. Here we have the contract address and its decimals is 18, and total supply you can see here. So it's the BSC scan. Here you can check out all the transactions. And now we check that how to buy. Now we are on the interface of PancakeSwap. It's very simple process and very easy to purchase, to buy it. Here you can see, first of all you have to connect your wallet, and then here you will put the amount, then how much you will invest it. For example, I put 0.01. So you can check out, here you have the token detail. In 0.1 BNB you can purchase this amount of tokens. Here these tokens are transferred into your wallet, if you have invest here 0.01 BNB. You put here and then finally you will connect the wallet and the token. These tokens are shift into your wallet. It's very simple and it's very easy. Now we check out here the exchanges where it will be listed: CoinGecko, BSC Scan, PancakeSwap, CoinMarket, Certic. Here are the exchange list, and the roadmap we have already checked out it. It's all the details we have already checked out. And the next one we have here the tokenomics, and also we have checked it. And from here you can easily copy the address, contract address you can easily copy here. And the next one is tokenomics, and here is the team introduction. Here we have the team, and Dolittle, he is the project owner, and Raccoon sport manager, and Illuminera, he is the sport manager, and Eleanor ads manager, Sir Coder, and Etta is a graphic designer, and Prof social media manager. And here is the process I have shown you how to buy. And it's if you have a MetaMask wallet, then 4 easy steps to buy. Create a MetaMask wallet on Google Chrome, visit MetaMask to download the extension and set up a wallet. And do you prefer MetaMask on mobile? Get MetaMask app for iPhone or Android, and send BNB to MetaMask. And once you have set up your wallet, you can send BNB from exchange like Kraken and Coinbase and Binance to your MetaMask address. And simply the PancakeSwap, where is very easy to buy. Go to PancakeSwap and click the connect to a wallet button, and I have shown you click select a token and address in which bar in search bar, and remember to set the right slippage by clicking the gear button and in the upper left corner, and you can easily check out it. It's very simple on PancakeSwap, where you can easily buy the tokens. You can read out it all the details, and here if you have any confusion, any question, and you contact to them, so here you can email address, send the email address. It's be instantly informed about information and innovation. So here you can easily send email address, type here and then send. It's all the details, and here we have the its social media links, Telegram and Twitter. You can easily contact to them, and you must contact them and follow their pages, and follow their join their community on Telegram, and you will easily get the all details and updates about the token. And they have very active team who will answer them, answer your questions. You can you can question them, and you will get their answers. So we will check out all the details about the zoo finance. It's very helpful for the animals, and it's very profitable for you, so participate in it. And thanks for watching the video, and till then my next video, please take care, bye.